Are you tired of power cuts and rising electricity bills? An off-grid solar system could be the perfect solution for you. In this video, let's explore what off-grid solar really means, how it works, and why it might be the best choice for your home or business. First, what does off-grid mean? An off-grid solar system is completely independent from your electricity provider's power grid. That means your home generates its own electricity using solar panels, stores that energy in batteries, and uses it whenever you need it, day or night. Here's how it works, step by step. Step 1. Solar panels capture sunlight during the day and turn it into direct current electricity. Step 2. The inverter converts that DC power into alternating current, the type of electricity your appliances use. Step 3. Extra energy is stored inside lithium batteries. Step 4. At night or when there's a power cut, your home continues to run on the stored energy from the batteries. It's a closed system that gives you full independence from the power grid. Now let's talk about the benefits. With an off-grid solar system, you'll never suffer from blackouts again. You don't need special approvals from your electricity provider for installation. You save money by reducing or eliminating your monthly electricity bill. You're using clean, renewable energy every single day. Of course, designing an off-grid system means choosing the right battery size and inverter for your lifestyle. That's where we come in. At Avrio Technologies, we design and install reliable off-grid solar systems with high-quality panels, lithium battery packs, and smart BMS technology, giving you energy freedom that lasts for years. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us bring you more clean energy knowledge every week. Want to learn more or get your own off-grid system? Contact Avrio Technologies today. www.avrio.lk, WhatsApp 0758 075076. Avrio Technologies. Power your future.